In Budapest, Hungarian residents were shocked to see a car from Mariupol parked with a bunch of bullet holes. This is the reality of the Russian world. The Security Service of Ukraine exposed the Russian agency, which was scouting the positions of special forces of the armed forces and preparing terrorist attacks in the Dnipropetrovsk region. Counterintelligence of the Security Service neutralized a group of FSB agents. Ukrainian artillery hit the Russian MLRS BM-21 graduate. Russian army is too weak to achieve the goals set before it, the propagandist says sadly.
Российская армия слишком слаба для того, чтобы достичь поставленных целей, слишком слаба для того, чтобы защитить те территории, которые она уже взяла на Украине, то есть в том числе Херсон, Харьковская область. Они видят, что российское наступление, оно достаточно медленное, несистемное на данный момент, и они намерены развивать свой успех.
Destroyed positions of the Russians, some which survived the strike are taken prisoner.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.